Hello friends, how to solve this type of questions using the trick. Point 9 is equal to 9 upon 9 is equal to 1 because of 9 is continuous number. 84 is continuous number, so 84 upon 99. 123 is continuous number. 123 3 number, so we write 9 3 times. 123 upon 9 3 times. 74 1 74 upon 90. So we write 667 upon 90. 84 we write 84 845 minus 8 upon 900 is equal to 837. 9 3 times continuously. So we write 999 upon 999 is cancelled. Answer is 1. Next question. 8 plus 0.5678. Repeat. 8 plus 5678 4 times. 4 number is continuous, so 999 4 times. 85678 upon 9999. Like, share, subscribe.